Hello, 6th graders. Today I'm going to walk you through our first assignment in Google Classroom. So please go to the class website and go to week 3 and go down to Tuesday, and even though we didn't start it on Monday, we're going to start it today, and click Google Classroom. Now when yours comes up, it probably only has computer apps, but if another teacher is using Classroom, that class will be there. These are all the classes I teach. So we're going to click into a 6th grade class, and mine looks a little different than yours because I've got the teacher view, but you'll have something that looks similar to this. Formatting in Google Docs, the first emoticon. The PDF is the directions, and the Google document is what you need to make the changes to. So I'm going to open the directions first. There they are, and I'm going to go back to that tab, and then I'm going to open the Google Doc, and that's what I need to format. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to have one on each side of the page, on each side of the screen. Okay, so we've already gotten the assignment for from Google Classroom, and let's go on. The first one says editing the title. Starting on the first line of the document, type your first and last name and your class period and hit enter. So the first line actually is in front of the word the. That's the very first line. So I'm going to type my first and last name, and I'm going to put a class period, and I'm going to hit enter. Then it says we're going to center the title, the first emoticon. That's number 2. So we're going to center it. I'm going to highlight it first. Then I'm going to come up to the ribbon, up to this menu, and see if I can find the centering. Well, mine's not there, so I'm going to click on More. And if I drag over all these, this one says Center, so I can center it. I can also use a shortcut, but I'm going to use that. Then the next one says bold the title. You can either use Control B, which I'm going to use now, or you can use the button. The next one says style the title. We're going to style the title by going up to where it says normal text. Those are the styles. Click right there, and we're going to choose title. And there it's nice and pretty. Okay, changing the font. It says select or highlight the first paragraph. And it gives me 2 ways I can do it. I can highlight the text by clicking and dragging, or I can just click inside the paragraph 3 times. So I'm going to go here and click 3 times, and now it's all selected. And it says once the paragraph is selected, change the font from Verdana 9 to Calibri 12. So it's already not that, so we're going to change it. Where's Calibri, I guess. And the size is going to be 12. There. Then it says, right here it says do the same for the second paragraph. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to click 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it didn't work. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And I'm going to change the font to that one too. And I'm going to change the font size. We're looking pretty good. Now it says change the line spacing. Okay, this can be kind of tricky. It says click anywhere inside the first paragraph. Change the line spacing from custom 1.6 to single. And then it tells you how to do this. Go to the format menu, select line spacing, and change it from 1.6 to single. So I'm going to go up here to the format menu, and I'm going to go down here to line spacing, and I'm going to change it to single. Now there's other ways to do that, but that's how I'm going to do it right now. Then it says do the same for the second paragraph. So I'm going to put my cursor in the second paragraph. I don't have to select it. And I'm going to go up to format and go down to line spacing and change it to single. It's looking pretty good. Then right here it says activate the hyperlink. Select or highlight the URL at the bottom of the second paragraph. So I'm going to highlight this. Whoops. And then use the shortcut Control K. That should highlight it, or that should make it a usable hyperlink. So I'm going to hold down Control and tap K. And now you can see that it's a link. Okay, next page. Add a special character. It says place your cursor after the title, the first emoticon. So I'm going to do that. Go to the Insert menu. Navigate to Special Characters. Special Character menu will appear, and select Emoji and select the happy face. So we're going to go up to the Insert menu, and we're going to find Special Characters. And here it says Symbol. We're going to find the one that says Emoji and put the happy face right there. Looks good. Whoops, get that out of there. Now, we're going to change the margins and orientation. We're going to go to the File menu, and we're going to go down to Page Setup. And then it says change all the margins to 1 and 1.5. So I'm going to change them all to 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and then it says change the orientation from portrait, which means tall and skinny, to landscape. Whoops, not paper size. Oh, here it is. Portrait to landscape. And OK. Oh, it's looking good. Okay, now you're going to have to turn it in through Google Classroom, and I don't have a turn it in button because I'm the teacher, but I believe it's up here somewhere. You can click turn it in, and you've finished your first Google Classroom assignment.